The bribery trial of Fred Ramsey continued today with new witnesses taking to the stand.
Among them, former bosses of BC who revealed new details in the high-profile case. Fern Carey has this.
Former BEC Assistant General Manager Patrick Hanner told jurors that he was responsible for the BEC project that included the acquisition of a DA-11 and DA-12 engine. He noted that all information concerning the project was communicated through him. Hanner testified that he had discussions of a technical nature with Ramsey, who invited him to his office to get a progress report on the project. However, Hanner said the meetings were not unusual, as he had also met with then Vice Chairman of the board, Vincent D'Aguilar, on the matter as well. He told the court he prepared a board memorandum to give an update of the project and to answer questions or doubts. After presenting the board with the memorandum, Hanner said he attended a meeting at the office of then Deputy Prime Minister Frank Watson, noting that there was also representatives from the IDB in attendance. Hanner testified that in February of 2001, he also attended a cabinet meeting with former Prime Minister the Right Honourable Hubert Ingram, former BEC Board Chairman J. Barry Farrington, and former General Manager Bradley S. Roberts. He said Mr. Ingram questioned him about the difference and the risks associated with buying one engine as opposed to the other, and he explained that Korean company Hanjong was more efficient in its installation and delivery of the project as opposed to French company Alstom. He agreed that the information he gave Mr. Ingram was a deciding factor for Hanjong to be selected. Hanner also testified that Ramsey never badgered him to agree with any technical position or offered him money to take a certain position. Asked if he ever saw any checks paid to Ramsey or had any discussions with Ramsey in relation to the project, Hanner said no. He also noted that Ramsey's business partner Mark Smith, Abel Santamaria or Jose Rodriguez, or Mark Smith Incorporated and Fred Ramsey were never consultants for BEC. He explained that Ramsey, who was a member of the technical committee, never provided any information to Mark Smith or Smith's company on the bidding process for the DA-11 and DA-12 engine. Asked if he was aware of an email from Mark Smith to Abel Santamaria of ABB Generacion, in which Smith said he was going to BC to talk to Hanner to get a feel for what was going on in relation to the award of the contract, Hanner said no. He also said he was not aware of any cabinet minister launching an investigation into the matter. Also among the witnesses testifying was former BEC General Manager Bradley S. Roberts. He testified that the project came directly under his direction and it was forbidden for a bidder to pay any BEC official for consultancy services. However, Roberts explained that when dealing with international contracts, some companies make a point of getting close to people they think might have maximum influence. However, Roberts testified that they have limited influence. He noted that he never saw a prosecution witness Mark Smith at any board meetings and did not remember having any interaction with Smith at all. Asked if the BEC board was involved directly in the evaluation process, Roberts said they did not interfere and were not directly involved, nor were they opposed to his recommendation of giving the contract to Hanjong. Fern Carey, 7S Network News.